Hi, I'm Dan from Firefly Tech, and in this video we're going to show you how to maintain the setup of your Do Not Disturb signs. Now, again, as with all of our videos, anything outlined in this video can be used no matter what design of sign you're using. So whether you're using the original or modern, what we tell you in this video will work for both, but for the sake of this video we are going to be using the modern design. So in this video we're going to explain how to properly maintain your Do Not Disturb sign so you get maximum use out of it. Now, it's mainly about battery life. So as you can see, this sign is turned on because there's a small green LED which is flashing, and to press this button the whole sign turns on. That's because there are 4 batteries in this battery pack at the moment. Now, this circuit is constantly networking and it is constantly trying to find new connections. So that actually puts a lot of strain on the battery pack. So our first point of advice is that when you are not using the sign, so after you've finished the work for the day, you're going to want to just take one battery, unplug it from the holder, and that will deactivate the sign completely. So even in rest mode, the sign is going to use a lot of power. So to properly maximise the amount of use you can get out of your sign, you're going to want to, at the end of the day, just gently unplug a battery, put it on your desk, and put it back in on the next working day. The second point is that the type of batteries you're going to want to use are rechargeable batteries. This is for many reasons. Not only is it better for the environment, but it'll also mean you can simply, when your sign does run out of power, you can simply take the batteries out, recharge them and put them back in. And it's as simple as that. If you follow those 2 simple tips, you're guaranteed to get maximum use out of these wonderful signs. So, when you're not working, take a battery out and please use rechargeable batteries for everyone's sake. Thank you and have a wonderful day.